Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use MoveSet blocks in JJS. MoveSet blocks are fundamental components that define your character's unique abilities and actions within the game. They offer incredible flexibility, allowing you to craft personalized combat styles or utility functions. We will cover everything from basic creation to advanced customization, ensuring you can fully leverage these powerful tools to enhance your gameplay experience. Get ready to unlock new levels of strategic depth. To begin, navigate to the MoveSet editor, typically found in your character customization menu. Here, you will find an option to create a new block. Select this to open the block configuration panel. You can then define core properties such as the block's name, its base damage, and a cooldown period, perhaps setting it to 5 seconds. Remember to save your progress frequently as you build out your custom abilities. Now, let's dive into deeper customization. You can fine-tune animation sequences to ensure your moves look and feel impactful. Crucially, define precise hitboxes and damage zones, perhaps a 2-meter radius, to accurately reflect the move's effect. Consider linking multiple blocks together to form intricate combo attacks, allowing for seamless transitions between abilities. This level of detail truly brings your custom movesets to life. Once your moveset is crafted, it is time to apply it. Assign your newly created moveset to your chosen character through the Character Profile menu. Then, head into the training mode or a practice arena to rigorously test each block's functionality. Pay close attention to timing, damage output, and overall feel. Be prepared to iterate and refine your designs, making small adjustments for optimal performance and a truly unique playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.